Helen Dalton, member for Murray. In Friday's Daily Telegraph, there's an article on page 6 that says, farmers fail to tap into water. And there's David Littleproud. He put out a media release to say that farmers weren't using the allocation. This is an absolute lie.
I just want to point out how much we love her, okay? Just when I thought that Helen Dalton couldn't be more likable, I saw this post by her. I figured that, like, we should do an appreciation for Helen Dalton because, like, look at it. Very tough week, but my dogs are still alive. My Facebook page is still active and I haven't been arrested by any counter-terrorism police once. I reckon this woman is so funny. Like honestly, she's like, hater, lover, I don't know, but we need to appreciate her. Both Friendly Jordies and Alan Jones have interviewed me several times on water corruption and the rural health crisis. I'm constantly asked to justify, defend unrelated things Friendly Jordies have said or done in the past, but I never got the same questions about Alan Jones. Why is that? You know, I really like her. I don't know about you guys, but I really like her. Very annoying when after 45-minute interviews with Friendly Jordies on underfunded rural hospitals, high M&D rates in Griffith, and illegal water diversions, a journalist asks me, so, do you condone that time that Jordan had sex in an Airbnb? For the record, I have no problem with that, but I did tell him off for breaking that vase. By the way, Jordan actually proved that he bought a vase there to break. So it wasn't even real error. I wonder if anybody's going to mention that. So, like any STL business, Friendly Jordies booked into this property. There is a no effing restriction on the booking contract, is there? Imagine if that was it. Like, a John Barilaro has put a clause in his Airbnb that you're not allowed to have intercourse in his Airbnb. I wonder if he's put a clause, no Mario merchandise in his Airbnb. That would be hilarious. I'm gonna like this one because, yeah, he proved that he purchased the vase. It was pretty funny. So yeah, please appreciate, you know, Friendly Jordies. She's retweeted Kevin Rudd's article as well. She's really invested in this. Like, she's probably the politician that has stood up the most for this situation. So please, everybody, if you're not already following her, go give her a follow. She's great.